In our last episode, we did a quick boat tour of the Catalina 350, and for a family of 3, it might be a little too small. So today, let's do another quick boat tour on a larger Catalina 42. My head's too big. Let's talk about the Catalinas.
I like the Catalina a lot.
Yeah. So looking online at boats, the Catalinas, they just didn't appeal to us. They looked like lake boats, afternoon. We always said they looked like day sails. But today we got on and a Catalina 42.
It's a Catalina 42.
Catalina 42.
Come on, different size. Come on down, girls. Oh. After you.
But
Oh, better, huh?
this is a late model boat, so it's gonna have really cool. And then I've got a 2011 that's available. But now it's got a lightning strike in 17, so in 18 it got all new electronics.
This one?
No, the other one that I have, and I had recommended, like I always do, that they get a surveyor to look at it, as opposed to the adjuster from the insurance company, and then to go back and survey it again after they've done whatever repairs they need.
So what happens when you get struck by lightning?
It is always totally different.
So just never know if it hits a circuit or...
Yeah, but these boats are cool because they don't have, to any great extent, the standard through hulls. It's like a hard interface, so it probably has an inverter. Now, inverter will run a lot of things, but it won't run microwaves for long times or curling irons for long times, because those are...
Because then we're going to get on the Jeannot and be disappointed?
It's quasi center line too.
Oh, is it really?
That's why we wanted to come see it, remember?
Because it's a 2-cabin, this is all right here. It's easy to get to. Now the other thing is, behind there is normally a water heater. But if you want to add a generator, you can actually put it in line. This boat was designed in 89, or came out in 89. We introduced it in 89.
I don't know if I can catch anything. I'm never any good, even with my boat.
Well, the thing is, one of the things is that you control without having to run the engine.
Yeah.
You just put up a little sliver of a sail.
I like how clean it is. Like you're not tripping over stuff.
I do like how clean the deck is. It feels really spacious.
Like everything's like pulled back out of the way. I like that.
You guys, he's gonna take a nap, kiddo?
Yes, because there's nothing better to do right now. Like, why not?
You're doing good.
Maybe.
Hello?
What'd you think?
I was very shocked at how spacious they are, the amount of room inside and outside. It's just the perfect boat.
Yeah, they're perfect boats. They're very, very big.
Spacious, homey feeling.
We walked up to the 35 first, and when we walked up to the 35, it felt as big as most 42, 44-foot boats we've seen. Just how wide and beefy, just strong looking.
Yeah. It was night and day compared to the O-Day that we took the actual sail on, which felt very tiny and small. This boat just felt huge, wide open.
Yep, definitely. On the inside of the boats, and you saw on the tour, they're just really solid. The cables, the fiberglass, the bilge, everything about it was just like a tank.
Yeah, I really liked the bilge. I mean, it was deep, it looked thick, remember? And then we looked at the other ones and it wasn't as sturdy feeling.
I didn't know bilges were selling points.
Well, it was. I was shocked.
So the Catalinas are really great. 35 is a good size Catalina. It's a good price. We may end up getting that size, but we felt like it may be a little small if we do extended ocean journeys, which pushes us a little closer to the 42, the Catalina 42. There's a Catalina 40 foot, so we're going to explore the 40 and the 42 a little more. I think they're both very promising.
I agree.
Good, and my neck is hurting from sitting like this. I'm almost doing like a... So thanks for watching the Catalina tours, and if you like this video, just give us a little thumbs up, leave us a comment if you have any questions, or if you have any sailing experience with boats, we'd love your input, or any thoughts you can leave us down in the comments below. Let's roll that blooper reel.
Roll the window, seriously.
Feeling of a ship. It was a beautiful ship. It had that feeling. Thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna start featuring comments on our videos. Let's do that.
Like fun?
You know how those cool YouTubers? Ah, yeah, those cool YouTubers that do like the comments, like right here.
So you're trying to be cool?
I need to be a cool YouTuber. Comment right here. So we can do a graphic.